want order?
I want cinnamon roll soup.
No, it's a vegetable. It's a
Vegetables. Okay, I want vegetables. Lao oil.
It's a vegetable. What do you call that?
Lao oil.
A vegetable restaurant.
Ah,
It's a
restaurant.
vegetable restaurant. So do you want this? What I'm cooking? Okay. First, I need this. Is
Slowly lang.
early cooked?
No.
Okay. Let me
There's still more
check
ingredients here.
Okay, good. It's super itchy.
Soup. Very good.
Now,
And what's next?
time for the lao oil.
Lao oil.
Yes. Just pretend the lao oil. It's just flowers. This will be cooked in an hour.
An hour?
I
It should
mean,
be
just
minutes. Just
Oh,
30
okay.
minutes.
Just
Here. Soup.
30 minutes. So, itchy. I thought it was a slug. Okay, I need some water already.
No, not hot water.
Okay.
Ano yan? And then,
You know what I'm cooking, okay? Then 30 minutes are done.
done. 30 minutes are done.
Now get it with okay. Okay. Do you like more water?
Yeah.
In this?
Drink water muna. More water more.
Okay. Okay. This is a early trained chef, okay?
Early trained
Yes.
chef.
Yes.
Wow, thank you.
But
You
wait.
show it to them. Your vegetables.
My vegetables. Wait, I got to get the wooden. Okay.
There.
Here you go.
Yum, 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 yum. It's so yummalicious. So it's your turn to try your vegetables.
That's really yummy. Next customer. Wait. Next customer.
You say bye na.
Bye.
Bye
Bye
guys.
guys.
Thank you for
Thank you
watching.
for watching. Are you gonna post it in the Facebook?
Yeah.
Okay.